Math Gad.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about the polynomial identity of the square of a sum. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at when studying the square of a sum is the formula, right? So if we have two quantities that are being added and we are going to raise them to the power of 2, actually the answer would be the same as expressing this first term to the power of 2, then 2 times the first one by the second one, and then the second one to the power of 2, right? So if we have the following problem, how do we know what the answer is going to be like? Well, we can actually use the square of a sum formula in order to get the answer. So as we know, the square of a sum formula tells us that the square of the sum of two quantities is going to be the first quantity to the power of 2 plus 2 times the first quantity multiplied by the second quantity, and then the addition of the second quantity also to the power of 2. So you can see that this is the same thing, right? So we get 2a to the power of 2 is 4a squared. Then we get 2 times 2 times 8, which is 4 times 8, which is 32. And a times b is ab. And we get 8b to the power of 2. A to the power of 2 is 64, and b to the power of 2 is b squared. So that is it pretty much, guys. So we basically use the square of a sum formula in order to see that this binomial to the power of 2 gave us this answer. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!